Hello, children. So, we are going to learn today English grammar. Okay? As we have completed sentences, kind of sentences in the previous session. Okay? So, today I start lesson 3, that is negative sentences. That is negative sentences, and it is your English first. This is for class 3rd students, no? So, negative sentences. Okay. Now, here one positive sentences are there and another is negative sentences. Positive sentences are also known as the affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentence and just opposite of that, negative sentence. So here we will just dividing into affirmative and negative. Affirmative means positive sentence. Negative sentence means it is which shows the negative sentences are those sentences which shows negligence, where we are using the word not just after auxiliary verb. Just after helping verb, we are using word not. Okay, it is having a negative sense, negative sentence. Positive sentence, affirmative sentence, it's having a positive sense. Understood? So, we will start. So, some examples are here you see. I am hungry. I am hungry. So, I am hungry. This is affirmative sentence. Okay, but when we write negative sentence of this, I am hungry. I am not hungry. Okay, as I am not, here we are using not, and this is a verb. Before the verb, we are using not. Okay, so it is a helping verb, and after the helping verb, we are using this is a helping verb, and after the helping verb, we are using what? Not. And when you are using not, it is what? Negative sentence. I am not hungry. Understood? So here you see, she can do it. Okay? So she can do it. This is a positive sense. Okay, this is the affirmative sentence. And when we have to change into the negative sentence, so what we'll do is here, she can is given here. So we'll put here not. I have already told you, in the negative sentence, we have to put not. So she cannot. She cannot do it. Okay. So this is a negative sentence. So some more examples we can say. We can see here. We are fast friends. Okay, this is a positive sentence. So, but when we have to change into the negative sense, so how will change this? Ask by using not. So, these are the simple sentences. How we have to change it? By using not. So, we are not. We are not. We are not fast friends. So, now it is clear. This is I am hungry. I am not hungry. Okay, she can do it. She cannot do it. We are fast friends. We are not fast friends. So, this is the difference between the affirmative sentence and the negative sentence. Okay? And negative sentences always expresses refusal or denial, neglect, negligence, refusal or denial. It always expresses refusal when we are neglecting something. Okay, so this always expresses. Okay, what? Negative sentence. Okay, so this side it is affirmative and this side is a negative sentence. Now we'll see the more about it. See here. Now we'll see some more sentences. Okay, but what is the change here? The negative sentence in the present continuous or past continuous tense is formed with when negative sentence is with present continuous. Okay, with the present continuous and with the or with the past continuous. Okay, continuous tense. So that we have to see how we will form it. Okay. So in this, the rules what we have to follow: a subject is here. Okay, subject plus m. Okay, subject plus m is r. Okay, m is r. Was, were. Okay, so were, then here plus not. We have to add not because we are forming negative sentences. So we have to add not. Okay, not plus what we have to do? Present. This is present participle. Okay. Present participle. This is the rule. When present continuous or past continuous, when we are changing, no? So what we have to do? We have to use this subject plus am, is, are, was, were, plus not, as when we are changing the negative sentences, plus present participle. Okay. So what is present participle? It is the ing form, no? What is it? It is the ing form. Present participle is the ing form. Now this is the rule. So now we have to see some examples. Suppose I am driving my car. So this is a positive sentence. One example. Example, no? So what is that? Suppose here one example I am giving. The positive. I am driving my car. I am driving my car. So this is a positive sentence. Okay. And how we will change this into the negative sentence? This is affirmative sentence, and how we have to change into the negative sentence? I am driving my car. Okay. How we have to change? This is which tense it is? I am driving my car. This is present continuous. Okay. So we have to change, no? We have to change into the negative sentence. Present continuous will change into the negative sentence. So how we will change it? I am not driving my car. So when we change this into the negative, so what it will be? I am not driving my car. So clear. As what is this subject here? Okay. And what I told you? Subject. Subject is here. This is the subject. Okay. And plus m. M. Okay. M is R or whatever it is there. M. But here we have used M. Okay. And after that plus not. Plus not. Present continuous it is no. So plus not. We have to use not. Okay. Plus present participle. Present participle means it is ing form of the verb. What we have to use? Ing form of the verb. So what is the ing form of the verb? Here the verb is ing form of the verb. Here it is driving my car. Like this you have to change. I am not driving my car. So this is what is. This is change into the positive to negative sentence. Affirmative to negative sentence. Okay. So in this negative sentences, in what we are doing, in which tense it is? In the present continuous. In the present continuous. Okay. So just like a past continuous you see. Past continuous tense. As it is an ing form, it is a continuous tense. No? Okay. Present participle. Okay. So it is an ing form of the verb. Now we will change into the, this is a present continuous tense. Now one example we will see of past continuous tense. How we will change the past continuous tense into the negative sentence? How we will form? Now past continuous tense. One example is, he was selling fruit. Okay. He was selling fruit. Clear? He was selling fruit. So what is the subject here? He. Okay, this is the helping verb. Okay, was. Okay, and what is this selling? It is the ing form of the verb, isn't it now? So what we have to do? We have to change into the negative sentence. And it is in which form? It is in which form? It is a past continuous. Okay, because was is here, it is a past continuous form. Was selling. So it is a past continuous form. Understood? Now we have to change into the negative sentence. When we change this is a subject. So when we change this in the negative sentence, how will we write it? He was, okay, not selling fruit. Not after the verb. We are putting was is the helping verb, so after was we are using not. Selling, okay, selling. Okay, selling what? Fruit. Now clear it is. He is a subject. Then here you see was. Was, as it is a past continuous tense, was, okay, and as we are changing into the negative sentence, so not selling, okay, and this is what selling is for. Selling is a present participle, ing form of the verb, no? It is a ing form. So, now, not selling fruit. Like this we will say, he was selling fruit. He was not selling fruit. So, like this we are changing it to the positive affirmative sentence to the negative sentence. All of you, it's clear, no? Now, again we'll see some more examples. Suppose, here in this one. Now this is clear. M was clear. Okay, this is over. Now we'll see some more examples of it. Okay. Now we will see here. Suppose they are singing together. One example. They are, as they, it is a plural. They are singing together. Now this is which sentence? It is the affirmative sentence. Now we have to change into the negative sentence. Now we have to change into the negative sentence. So what we have to hear? Now am already we have seen one example. Was we have seen. Now it is are. Okay, are is the helping verb. Now they are singing together. They is a plural. They are singing together. It is which tense? It is a present continuous tense. Okay, because they are singing together. Now we have to change into the negative sentence. So what it will be? They are not singing together. Okay, now it is very clear to you. Now they are singing together. They are not singing together. Now there is a difference. What is the difference here? This is a affirmative sentence. They, plural, they are. This is a helping verb, and after that, singing. This is a verb together. Okay, but when we are changing into the negative sentence, they are. After are, we are using not. Okay, because it's showing a refusal. They are not singing. Are is the helping verb because with this plural we are using are. They is the plural, and with the plural we are using are verb. Okay, so they are not singing together. Understood? Like this we have to change. Now this is am, are, and one example of was is over. Okay, now we will see the example of is now. Okay. Now here you see she is running fast. She is running fast. Okay? Now, this is she is running fast. What is the subject in the sentence? She. Okay? She, and this is a helping verb we are using is. Okay. And as and this which intensity? She is running fast. It is a present continuous tense. It is which tense? Present continuous tense. As it is the ing form of the verb, so it is known as a present participle form. Okay? It is the ing form of the verb, so it is known as a present participle. Okay? Like this. So she is running fast. When this is the affirmative sentence, positive sentence, and this positive sentence, when we have to change in the negative sense, then it will become she is. As I told you, subject is there, she. Okay, helping verb, here we have used is. And then plus not. She is not. And after that, plus present participle. Okay, that is ing form. What is the ing form? She is not running. This is the ing form. So we have to use she is not running. She is not running. Fast. Clear? Like this we have to say. This is the affirmative sentence and this is the negative sentence. Okay. Now this is here is a difference. You see, she is what? She as it is singular. Okay, singular, no. So that's why we have used what? Is here. Okay. And she is what? Subject here. Subject, helping verb, and here verb. This is ing form of the verb, and this we have to use it like this. She is not running fast when we change in the negative sentence. Now, R is, okay, M is R what? It is clear? Okay, now one example is more verb here it is left. Now, how to change this? Suppose, as where we are using verb, we are using verb in the plural. No, where we are using in the plural. Suppose here you see they were speaking loudly. They were speaking loudly. Clear? They were speaking loudly. For the plurals, we are using verb. Okay? For the plurals, we are using verb. Speaking loudly. Okay. Now this is which sentence? Affirmative sentence. And now we have to change into the negative sentence. So what will write here? They were not speaking loudly. So they, okay, subject. Then they is the subject over here. Then they were. This is the helping verb. They were. And then after that, what we have to write? Not. And speaking is ing form of the verb. Speaking loudly. Now, I think all examples are clear to you. Okay? So, what we have learned in this, in the present continuous or the past continuous, how we are changing this form into the negative. Okay? Now it is clear? Now we will see some other examples. Now you see, here we'll see that another form of the changing. Suppose here the negative sentence in the present simple or the past simple tense. How we will change into the negative sentence? Okay. Okay. This when the sentences are in the present simple or past simple, how we will change it? Okay. So present simple or past simple. Okay, present simple or past simple. So how we have to change into the negative sentence in the present simple? Okay, how? So how we'll make it this? So the rule for this is subject. As you know, the sentences start with the subject. Okay, subject plus do. Okay, does. Okay, do, does. Okay, did. Okay, plus did not. Okay, did not. Okay, you have to use not also. Okay, plus base form of the verb, that is, this is a base form. Okay, now like this you have to, this is a rule. Okay, for the present simple or the past simple. So some examples are here. Suppose I walk daily. I, examples listen. I walk daily. This is what? This is I walk daily. This is which tense it is? It is a present simple. I walk daily. Okay. And when you have to change into the negative sentences, so what it will become? I do not walk daily. This is affirmative sentence, and when you have to change, I do not walk daily. Like this, you have to change. I walk daily. This is which tense? Present simple. And when you are changing into the affirmative sentence, into the negative sentence, I do not. As you see here, subject is what? I here. And plus do, and we have to use do, does, did. It is a do. With that do, we have to use not as, because we are changing into the negative sentence. So not. Okay, and base form of the verb. And what is the base form of the verb? It is verb. Okay, base form of the verb is verb. So I, subject, do not walk daily. Like this you have to say. Okay, now some more examples we'll see here. Okay, they dance in the rain. Now this is, here you see, this is for do. We will see the another one for the for does we will see. Okay, suppose he reads English newspaper. Okay, he reads English newspaper. When we will change into the negative sentence, so what it will become? He does not read English newspaper. As this is clear now. He, subject, as does not, he does not. He does not. Does plus not. Does not. Okay. And base form of the verb. Does not read newspaper. He reads English newspaper. He does not read English newspaper. Read is a base form. Read as it is given here. Okay. But we are using base form. So here you will read. You write read. Okay. English newspaper. English newspaper. So this do and does. It is clear to you? Now we'll see one example of, some more examples we'll see, okay, of did not. Okay, so now you see. Now we'll just take this did not. Okay, Sarita sang a song. Sarita sang a song. Now, what we have to do it in this? We have to change into the negative sentence. So what it will become? Sarita did not. Did not. Okay, as we have to use base form of the verb, so it will become sing. Okay, a song. Like this, we are changing into the negative sentences. Okay, clear? Now the last, now this is clear to you? Okay, present simple or past simple, we are changing into the negative sentences. Now another, you will see. So, here what we have to do in this subject, have, has or had plus no. Okay, so here you see. Subject, have, had. Okay, here has plus no. Okay, we are changing into the negative sentences. Okay, no means you know that it is a negative sentence. Okay, so here the sentences containing has. So we will see here the sentences which are containing has, have or had show a possession. It show a possession. Have, has, had. It show a possession. That type of sentences, when you are changing into the negative sentence, how we will do it? Now you see. I have, example, okay? I have a mobile. This is one. Okay, I have. So, I is subject, have. Okay? A mobile. This is a positive sentence, affirmative sentence. When you are changing into a negative sentence, it will change like this. I, subject. I is the subject now. I have. And what we are using with that? With the have, had or has, we are using no. So, I have no what? Mobile. Okay. So, I have no mobile. Like this you have to choose. These rules you have to learn and by heart. So, it is very easy to change into the negative sentence. Subject, as you see, subject is here. I. Okay. Plus, what I have used here? Have. Okay, these are showing the possessions. No, these are contain those sentences having have, has, had. It shows a possession. So I is a subject, have, and we are using suppose here subject. I is a subject, have. You see, have. Okay, and after that plus no. So no, because they are changing into negative sense. Okay, no mobile. Like this, you have to change. Okay, now one example, this is have, now has or had. Two more examples will see. Has or had. Okay, now she has a notebook. She has a notebook. Okay, now this is affirmative sentence. Now we have to change into the negative sentence. How we change it? As in this sentence, subject is she has a notebook. So when we change into that negative sentence, what it will become? She has, because it is showing a possession, she has. As has, this has plus no. She has no notebook. Very easy. Quite simple, no? To change. Okay, now this is here. Have, has completed, no? Now had. One example we'll see of had. Okay? So this is of had. So clear, no? This is affirmative and this is a negative sentence. Now one example of had. They had a car. Now had. We are using had in the sentence. So how we write? They had a car. When we change into the negative sense, what? They had. Only we have to use what? No. After have, had or had. Subject, have, had, has plus no. Only this much we have to use. Nothing else. So they had what? They had a car. They had no car. Very easy. So this type of sentences which showing the possession, what we are using? Only we are using no after has, had or have. Understood? Now this is clear. They had no car. No is always showing what? refusal, negligence. Okay. So now, okay, I think it is completed, understood by you. Okay. Now, next is, okay, this chapter is fully completed. Okay, and you have to do this exercises. Try to do the exercises. Okay, exercises are here, and you have to do by your own. As you have understood all the forms and all the how to change it, so you can do by your own. Okay, the exercises. Okay.